Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my video. I am before I get into things, the weather's been bad. I've been trying to upload more, but it's been wet. So I'll try to make more videos when it's nicer. So in the meantime, I figure I will unbox my new helmet I got today, the Nobleman TK02. I'm so pumped, so excited for this. There we go. There it is. Nobleman. Touch your limits. Oops. Little key box. Wow. It's in a bag. I can probably use this bag for something. Here we got the chin piece. Oh. Guys, it looks so much better in person. Way better in person. Yes, you guys see it? More stickers. More stickers. My love is with you. Thank you. Hey, that's nice. They have a note from someone in China. Sorry to keep you waiting. Oh, yeah, I waited a while. Cool. Yes, I have a collection of stickers. It's cool. Bro. Damn. I gotta have. Wow. It's easy. Nice and simple. This just isn't going very well. Oh man, this thing is perfect. Oh, this thing is so cool. Yeah, man. Wow, this is a really nice feature. zips into place. It's a very easy way to do things. Alright, here it is in all its glory. Nobleman TK02. I got it in matte black. There's the gloss black and there's color white. Matte black is just the coolest in my opinion. Kind of like Star Wars. Alright, thank you for today's video, guys. Thank you for today's video. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. I'll get used to this eventually.